Are you making this mistake with your lemon? So you take a fruit, cut it in half, squeeze some juice out and add it to your water and walk around so full of yourself, so proud that you're drinking lemon water. You're alkalizing, and you throw away this part. No, you're literally throwing away at least 5 times more nutrients than you just squeezed out of this lemon juice. In this video, I will teach you how to make lemon bites so you can indulge 100% of lemon benefits. I mean, like 100%. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach. On my channel, I share how to turn foods into your best medicine. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video and hit the bell button to stay connected. Lemon skin, the white part under the skin and inside of the lemon is packed with nutrients, much more than the juice itself. We will put all parts of lemon to work. Take 2 lemons, preferably organic one, as we're gonna be leaving the skin on. Let's wash them really well with salt, lots of salt, Himalayan salt or sea salt. Like you literally want to scrub them in the salt like this. And then you want to let it sit in hot water for a few minutes. So this will do 2 things. It will take care of pesticides and it will ensure that the lemons are more juicy. Give it a quick rinse with fresh water and all good to go. You want to blend until it is like nice and universally liquidish like this. Prepping your lemons in this manner, make sure that you get everything lemon has to offer. Lemon flesh, for example, is super high in fiber. Our gut loves fiber. Frozen lemon bites offer the benefits of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Just so you know, freshly squeezed lemon juice oxidizes very quickly, so it loses its value. Also, commercially prepared lemon juices are usually pasteurized, and during pasteurization process, vitamin C is lost. Ready to stick it in the freezer, and we'll get the results in just a few hours. Let's take a look what we got here. Okay, our lemon bites are ready. Honestly, they look a little more like lemon balls, not bites, but it all depends what kind of mold you use. Look how pretty, a lemon flower. Once you get them all out, you want to transfer them into a container of your choice and keep them in a freezer. Look how pretty it came out, like a lemon bouquet. Remember to use them in your salads, water, smoothies. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Hit the bell button to subscribe so I can teach you how to eat your way out of any disease. Remember to use these beauties daily. Lemon literally rejuvenates your blood. So if you want to look young and feel young, use this daily.